Thank you. Kyle seems to have this on fixed zoom.
Yeah, probably, so it's not trying to autofocus. There's 1 point.
Hey Kyle, can you zoom this thing? And it touched it.
Pausing, that's 3 points.
3 points because it paused touching the cone. Hey. Oh. And once again, striving into the weeds. Waypoint's a little close.
I think you did the right thing to try to go around it,
Yeah. Like I was telling Paul, I also moved that GPS coordinate over to the right of the cone, so I'd stay out of that bush instead of trying to make it all the way to the cone as a target. Safe by.
One point for entering the circle.
Stopping but not touching. Not touching. Not touching.
Not touching.
There's the touch.
Touched.
All right, that's 6 points.
Yep. And once again, he's taking on the sewer caps. Oh! Oh!
Look at that.
No problem. No problem.
Got that.
I sure did. Well, I got on the live stream for sure. I don't think this is recording me, was it? Was that meeting recorded?
The meeting automatically
Yeah.
records?
Well, not automatically, but we turned it on.
Better, Scott?
Yeah, that's much better. Okay.
Went through the circle.
So 1 point for entering the circle.
Oh, it takes the waypoint up there. Now it's going to stop and it's going to rotate.
I'm in the corner. Don't look at me.
Uh-oh.
Move that chair.
You need to move your robot there. Right.
Move the robot, move the chair.
It timed out. So I'm not getting my perfect score today.
No? Is it done?
Yeah, it timed out.
Time's out.
It times
Oh,
out when it's sinking. I mean, you don't want it to do it forever.
oh, bummer,
I'm having trouble
man.
resetting that counter, so sometimes it times out prematurely.
Oh, sorry.
Especially if it runs into obstacles,
It
has
did
to.
go through here, John.
Yep. Yeah, it did. You got
Yeah, it
that?
did. It went through the circle. So it gets 1 point.
All right. All right.
All right.
Good effort, Scott.
There you go. Here you go, Carl.
My goal, though.
I put it on to 2 times zoom.
Oh.
Because that seemed better.
All right. I'm going to stop.